Hey, welcome on Vedantu. This is the Sprint Tech second series and we are doing the Vedantu mock paper discussion. We have covered the first session at 6 p.m. This is the 8 p.m. session you are watching right now. We are going to cover from question number 10 onwards. These are going to be your 2 marks question till question number 12. So after question number 12, question number 13 will be of 3 marks. Remember this thing, and just remember one more thing, that we have covered the 2018 board paper and 2019 sample paper. So do not forget to download the Vedantu app because it can help you in solving the doubts, study material requirements and classroom courses. Fine, let's take up the next part. Question number 10 says, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting exactly one head. I will tell you the trick to remember it. Just remember this trick. You will be more than happy that you have all the possible outcomes in one place. 4 head, 4 tail. 2 head, 2 tail. Oh, I should write head first. It will not change anything, but it's with the standard process. 2 head, 2 tail. 2 head, 2 tail. And then head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Okay? It's kind of a musical tone to it. Now you have all the possible outcomes in front of you. What do you want? You want exactly one head. So search for your favorable outcome. You want to search? Yes, you should. So what do you get? Exactly one head. This is the exactly one head. Exactly one head. This is the exactly one head. And this is one more exactly one head. Fine. How many do you see? 3. What are the total number of outcomes? 8. I've told you in the probability previous session that probability of any event A, where A is getting exactly one head, you have to mention that what is the event you are considering as A. This is a mathematical probability writing way. Okay, getting exactly one head. Oh, I should not write it written. Okay, fine, I'll just erase this. So probability that A happens is number of the elements in A upon number of elements in the sample space. This is my sample space. How many elements are there? 8. This is single entity. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, like kind of. So you have 8 and A you have 3. So the answer is 3 by 8. Simple, is it? It's too simple. Let's take up the next question. Okay, let's read this problem first. Find the value of m so that the equation this has 2 equal roots. Remember, the equation has 2 equal roots when the discriminant is 0. What is discriminant? b square minus 4ac. This is not standard quadratic. First let us standard quadratic. What do you get? 5x minus 6 plus 9 equals to 0. Multiply it. 5mx square minus 6mx plus 9 equals to 0. Compare with the standard terms. A is 5m. Write it for yourself so that you do not make any mistake in the exam when you put the values. This is what we do. And we make mistakes and we lose marks. Our target is to gain marks, not lose marks. So B is minus 6m and C is 9. Now you know for equal roots, what is that? Discriminant should be 0. Or you can say as b square minus 4ac is 0. Is it yes? Yes, it is. So what is b square? Minus 6m square minus 4ac. A is 5m. What is c? 9 equals to 0. What do you get next? Square. See, there is a trick you have to learn here. I will tell you. This is 36m square. Now remember, 9 fours is 36. So do not multiply it afterwards. Stop it there. Yeah, you understand. Very good. If you understand that. Take 36 common. Why to waste our time by multiplying? So m minus 5 will be left out. I have taken 36 common. So 36 goes by 0. It's done. So either this will come up. I'll take the next page. M into m minus 5 is 0. So either m is 0 or m is 5. But you know what? M cannot be 0. Neglect it. Reason? Why this teacher said that? There should be a reason for it. Check it. Please check it. What is this m? Is the coefficient of x square. How can the coefficient of x square be 0? Quadratic will not exist, na? Nahi exist karegi, na? Quadratic kaise exist karegi? Yeah. So m cannot be 0. What does this mean? That there is only one value of m, and which is m is equals to 5. I hope you understand this thing. This is the answer. Isn't it simple? It's extremely simple, you know. Let's take up the next question. Question number 12. This is also a 2 marks question. On a square handkerchief, oh my god, I stand here, sorry. 9 circular designs, each of radius 7, are plotted. So these are small square designs. You have to find the remaining portion of the handkerchief, which is much easier because you know the diameter will be 14, 14 and 14. since they touch each boundary of the square, these designs, so I can say the side of the square is 3 times 14. So the side of the square is 3 times 14, which is 42 centimeter. Now obviously you have to find the area of these 9 designs, circular designs, subtract it from, you have to subtract this from which? The area of the square to get the remaining area. So what is the radius of the circular part? The radius is 7 centimeter. Remember this thing and try to apply it. So you remember one thing, that area of shaded region, directly write in one go. Do not waste your time in separately solving it. Never do that. In surface area, volume and in area related to circles, never ever separately solve them. If you write it in the single line, you can take out common and simplify. This is what I am teaching you for the last, oh my god, how many days we have gone for? Yeah? Area of shaded region. Yeah, we are learning it. Yeah? So let's take up this. So 6th day, 7th day. So let us take the shaded region as area of a square. I was calculating it, minus area of 9 times, because there are 9, so I'll just calculate 9 times area of one circle. So now what we will get? We have area of square. What is this? Side square, minus 9 times area of one circle, pi r square. Now you put the value of a, 42 square, minus 9 times 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7. Because these are 9, so I have taken 9 of them. Fine. I hope I have not made a mistake. See, always I do fast, but then I go slow and check whether I have done any mistake. Because once I solve this, I will move ahead. Do you understand my point? You should. So I will just check it once. Everything is correct. Our value substitution is correct. I have solved A correct. Everything is correct. Yes, it is correct. Let's take up the next part. So 7 cancelled. Okay. So 42 square you can find out. Because 42 is made of, okay, find it, let's find it fast. Okay, I'll bring my rough sheet. 42 into 42 is 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 16. This will be 4, 8 8 is 16, 7, 1. 1764. Okay, so I'll just delete this part, 1764, and then I'll just take up 1764 minus, you can now, you remember the trick I told you, 7 9 is 63, 63 into 2 is 126. 63 into 2 is 126. Copy paste, add digits, add digits. This is by 11 multiplication. I broken down 22 into 2 into 11, and then I use the trick I told you. I've been telling you for so long. Please watch the previous videos for more tricks. So 14 minus 6 is 8, 15 minus 8 is 7, and this is 3. This is my answer, centimeter square. Done. 2 marks problems demolished. Now what we want? We want 3 marks problem now. So let us take up the next question. I hope you are understanding this. Simple. Question 13. Oh my god, it looks like a line plotting. Draw a graph of this line and that line. Shade the region and these between this line and x-axis. That will come later. Find the area of the shaded region. So please, all of you just understand. I have to go slow in this because there are points to be plotted. There are lines to be formed. And then there are areas to be found. So this is a lengthy question. This is time consuming. So we'll use time. We'll consume time now. Don't worry. So first equation is 2x plus y equals to 6. Yes, it is. Take y as a subject. So 6 minus 2x. Make the box. You need 2 points minimum. 3 points is good. So xy. Put value of x as 0. You get 6. Put x value as 1. You get 4. Now I want to make y 0. How can I make it y 0? If I put x as 3, I'll get y 0. So the point is 0, 6, 1, 4 and 3, 0. I have to remember these 3 points. You should write it down somewhere. So because we are going to solve for the other equation also, it will give us what? Let us try to find it out. Y is equals to 2x plus 2. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. I have just sent y there, written it first. What is wrong in it? Nothing is wrong in it, beta. It's everything fine. Just make the box and do it. So x, y, you put x 0, y is 2. You put x1, y is 4. What is the next thing? I want to make it 0, I'll put x minus 1. This will make it 0. Okay, so I have this point. This is 0, 2, 1, 4 and minus 1, 0. Now I have to plot this point. Do not have the space. I have told you I do not like creating mess. So I will just create a new page and I'll just use the line to make our life better. Fine, I think so it's straight. Okay, fine. It's black, it's okay. Let us take the next line. Fine. Okay, I'll just what happened? Let's draw like this. Okay, it bends because my hand is bending at this moment. Leave it. Just consider that I have drawn the line. Now start using display. This is not the line, okay? Leave it. So it is minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I hope it is fine. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have the points arranged. Let us bring the points. Let us bring them on. 0, 6, 1, 4, 3, 0. I have to remember it. 0, 6 here. 1, 4, 1, 4. 3, 0, 3, 0. 3, 0 is on x-axis. So just join them by a line and nothing else. Okay. So it will try to pass it through a same point. Fine. This will work. Fine. So this is passing. The line is there. I hope you can see the line. I'll just draw it. Sometimes this is not visible, so that students do not complain. You should feel perfect at every time. You have got the first line. You need the next points. Oh, sorry. 0, 2, 1, 4, minus 1, 0. I have told you I will go slow. I cannot move fast in this way. 0, 2, 1, 4, minus 1, 0. 0, 2. 0, 2. 1, 4. What was the value before? 1, 4 is the same. Is it like that? 1, 4 is the same. That's good. 1, 4 minus 1, 0 is this point. So I will draw like this. Okay. So I have a line like this. Fine. I have got the line. Now I will just extend it. Okay. Now you see there are two lines intersecting and they are forming a triangle with the x-axis. So you have to look at the x-axis. Please just watch, this is important. Now you have to find this area of the triangle. Suppose it is ABC. Suppose it for the moment mean. So what is the area? The area is half base into height. Correct? What is base? This length. So this is 1 unit, this is 3 units. So total 4 units. What is height? The perpendicular. So this is 4 because this is 4 na. So this is 4. So this will give me 8 square units. I should write like this and leave. I found the area, I found the line also, I have done everything. Let us read the problem. Have I missed anything? Find the area of the shaded region. Obviously the shaded region is the area between the x-axis and the two lines. Correct? Let's move to the next and last question for today, which is question number 14 and is based on it looks like coordinate geometry to me. Oh, you can't. Sorry. So, in figure, in triangle ABC, DE and A are the sides BC and AC. Okay. Let's find the length of DE. Prove that DE is half of AB. So, this is AB. So, this is C. Okay. Oh, why is it writing like this? So, this is C. Okay. Now, this is C point. Remember like this. Remember, you have to find the distance of DE. Length of DE using the distance formula, and you have to prove this. But how can you prove it when you don't have the coordinates of D? Yes, it is the midpoint. So we'll use the midpoint formula. Very good. So point of D will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2. It is the midpoint of BC. So minus 6 plus 2 divided by 2, comma, what is the y coordinate? y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Fine. Now just solve it. I can move fast in this. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2 and it is minus 3 by 2. Done. Let us take for the E coordinate. What is E coordinate? E is the midpoint of AC. So minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2. x1 plus x2 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 minus 1 plus minus 2 divided by 2. So E is minus 2 by 2 minus 1 comma minus 3 by 2. I have got the point E, I have got the point D. Let us find the distance formula on a new page. Use the distance formula. The distance formula says root over x2 minus x1 whole square. You have to write this down, okay? This is 3 marks problem you are solving for. You cannot let the teacher take away your marks just because you have not written the formula. Do you understand my point or not? You should. Obviously, you should. Why you shouldn't? So the point are minus 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2. So distance between DE is, okay, I'll write the point here, minus 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2. Fine, just take the help of those. So it is root over minus 2 minus minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 by 2 minus minus 3 by 2 whole square. Obviously this is minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 whole square, 1. This is minus 2, 3 by 2 minus minus, so it is plus. So this will cancel out. This is 0. So this is equals to 1. What is DE? 1 units. I want to find the length of AB. Then only I can prove that DE is half of AB. Obviously AB should come 2 now. Let us check back with AB here. I will solve for AB here only. I hope this will be easier for you to understand. I do not want to jump places now. So 4 minus 2. So I am directly using it. You should write it on the next page although. So x2 minus x1. So 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So minus 2 is minus 2. Okay, obviously it will cancel it. But still I'll write it. I'm writing a square here so that I have not to write a root and make more mess here. So what will I get? AB square is equals to 2 square, 4. Obviously this will become 0. Minus will become plus. This is negative 2. This will be positive 2. 0. What you will get? AB is equals to 2 units. This is what I wanted. Yes, we wanted the same thing. So AB is 2 units. So this implies DE is what? It is half of AB. Are we done? What do you say? Yes, we are done. We are done for this day. We have completed till question 14. This was 3 marks problem. Next we will do more 3 marks problem from question number 15 onwards. Tomorrow's session, okay, 6 p.m. session. And I hope you are enjoying these sessions. If you are really thinking that my speed is fine now, please comment it. And if you want it even more faster, don't do that. Don't do that. A little bit slower will be fine. Okay, let's see what comes in the comment box. I hope you're enjoying this session. If yes, press the like button right away. Like, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.